Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unsubscribe all emails in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to unsubscribe emails from Gmail, first open up the Gmail app on your phone, and when you open up this interface of Gmail, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and over here, when you land over here, you'll be required to scroll down a little bit, where you can see the manage subscriptions button available for us just below the trash. Tap on manage subscriptions, and all of the personnels or all of the places or mails to whom you have subscribed, you can see will be here. Now in order to unsubscribe from these, and if you tap and open one of these senders, you can see all the mail from there, and you can see these. Now in order to unsubscribe from all these emails, you can see the letter with the minus button at the right side over here where I'm tapping. If you tap on that button, the unsubscribe button will appear over here. Now tap and choose to unsubscribe. Now tap on it and tap on unsubscribe, and you can see all of the mails which you are getting will be unsubscribed like this. And with that being said, guys, if you unsubscribe all of them, all of the unwanted emails you've been getting will be stopped, and you will have unsubscribed from all unwanted emails on Gmail. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unsubscribe all unwanted emails in Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.